Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and use Touch VPN on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Touch VPN, and the first link which will appear here will be from touchvpn.net. So just click on this touchvpn.net website, and here you will be able to see this kind of web page. So when you scroll down a little, you will be able to see Get Touch VPN at the top, and you will be able to see this button also which says Get Touch VPN. So you can click one of these buttons. I'm going to click on this, and then you can choose your platform. So because we want to install Touch VPN on our Windows 11 operating system, I'm going to choose this option which says Windows MSI. So just click on this option. So once this touchvpn.msi file is downloaded, just click on this file and then you can minimize the browser. And first of all, you just need to click on yes here, which is going to start the setup of Touch VPN. And you can see the Touch VPN setup has been finished in few seconds. And you can also see this shortcut is created on our desktop for Touch VPN. And once this Touch VPN software or app is installed, it's going to start automatically, and you can see it says encryption is enabled. So from here you can select the VPN server from this list from any country which is shown in this list. So let's say I want to have a VPN server from Australia, so I can just select Australia, and then you can see Australia is selected, and now the VPN connection is also enabled. Now in order to check whether it's working or not, you can open any website which shows you the actual location of your internet provider. I use generally this website which is called whatismyipaddress.com, and you can see it's showing me the country Australia, even though I'm not located in Australia, right? So I can change this location once again. For example, this time I want to choose the United Kingdom VPN server, so it's going to connect to that server. And now I'm going to refresh this website, and now I can see this country. So you can see my IP address is now from United Kingdom, right? So you know that whatever country you choose here, your IP address will be from that country, right? So this is how you can install and use Touch VPN on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.